In this video, I'll show you how you can make all the cells and rows the same size in Excel. Now first, as you can see, the C is much smaller than D, and E is about almost same as B, but A is much bigger. Now if you want all of them to be the exact same size, what you can do is you can press on this button right here, and it's gonna select all your cells. And from in here, you're gonna select between a letter I mean. So between B and C, put your mouse there and it will turn into this. Now from in here, you're gonna select the width. So let's select this and it will change all of them. As you can see, all of them are now this. If I make it bigger, all will be big. If I make it super small, all will be super small. So that's basically how you can do it in Excel, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.